So guys, today I'm going to show you the package content of BSNL modem, fiber modem. So this is what you can see. This is the package. You can open it, and this is a quick installation guide they are providing, and this is all the stuff, package content and all, setting up and etc. things. We're gonna keep it aside. This is the modem, and we're gonna look at it later. And let's see the other package content. And this is the thing that we got. This is the Ethernet cable, and this is the power adapter, and its rating is 12 volt and 1 ampere. So that's what we get. We'll keep this aside, and let's look at our modem. This is the OptiLink modem that BSNL is providing, and nowadays this is the model number OPGONT 90211VW. So this is the configuration, and this is the fiber connection, that is PO, and this is port for the telephone to Ethernets. This is the reset. This is the WPS. We can see over here it's WPS written over here, power on off, and these are the LEDs, I believe. So nothing else, nothing over here, nothing in front, nothing inside, and outside I already see. So we're gonna install it and see what the speed is giving. So guys, I've set up this Wi-Fi router, and this is a fiber cable, and next to it is Ethernet, and then it is power. And we talk about LEDs. This is power LED, and this is the connection LED, and next to it is the loss, which is when not connected, blink as a red. And the next two is the LAN cables, Wi-Fi, and telephone connection, which is not connected yet. So the Wi-Fi over here is pretty bad, and because the connection drops as you move away, and it won't get nothing. So there's that. So I'm using my Netgear R6080 router with this, and this is it. So I'm going to use the Wi-Fi from it, and now I'm going to show you the speed of this router. And by the way, the plan I'm using is 777, and the speed of this is 50 Mbps. So let's see. I'm connecting it through my computer, and we got the connection running, and now I'm gonna hit browser. So I'm going to refresh this, and there we go. I'm going to press go button, and we'll see how much speed it's giving to me. So the ping is 40, which is not that bad, and the speed you can see the download is 52, so it is above 50, and it is going up to 56, and I guess 56 it is. So we're gonna see upload speed too. It is also moving above 50. Okay, and it's gonna be 55.50. All right, so that's the speed we will get with our router. To remember, the firmware configuration is done by BSNL personnel only, and let me show you the settings of that same. So the IP address is 192.168.10.1, and the past username is admin, and password will be the admin also. So here you can see the Optilink page, and this is the device status. And the firmware over here, I don't know that it will get update or not, but my Netgear router, on the other hand, will probably get the update very frequently. This one. And let me show you the WAN setting for this router too. Do note that it should be in PPOE mode, not in the bridging mode for the router. So that's it. So that's all in this video for this BSNL Optilink fiber modem. And like, dislike, and comment for more info. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.